Itong rep naman ang linisin natin kasi manubi minsan yung kamay natin. Good morning! Turururu! Ayun guys. Wala tayong magawa. Ano, kumusta po lahat? Good morning po sa lahat ng mga kababayan natin Pilipino at sa mga nasa Pinas at sa mga nasa ibang bansa. Kumusta po kayo lahat? Sana maging okay lang kayo at walang problema at walang sakit. Ayun po. Ayun guys, samahan niyo po ako maglinis sa aking kwarto. Ayun po guys, so, ito ang aking vlog ngayon. Pero sana magustuhan niyo.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Ayun guys, tapos na tayo maglinis ng ating kwarto. Sana nagustuhan nyo ang aking video. At sa mga bago pa lang nanonood sa aking YouTube channel, please subscribe nyo lang at i-click nyo lang ang bell button para ma-notify kayo sa mga darating ko pang mga videos. Salamat po guys at maraming salamat. God bless po sa lahat.